Hello and welcome to day number 4 of the Day Trading Bootcamp. In today's episode, I'm going to be discussing different pairs to day trade on. So starting off, we have Forex. Forex stands for foreign exchange, and these are the different currencies in the world. I have them all paired against the USD, but you can pair them against each other, like the euro against the Great British Pound, or whichever way you want to pair them. But I would suggest trading the Euro USD if you want to trade Forex. And I would also suggest you to use the futures contract. So on TradingView, you can easily find the futures contract by just typing in the pair. And then there's these little options, and you can just click on futures. And then pick one of these. But yeah, these are the Forex pairs. This is where I started at. I started trading on GBP and JPY, and that's when I was first getting into trading. But if you like how they move, this is going to be more of an experience thing. I'll discuss this at the end, but it's really going to be about personal preference. Next, we have the indices. So these are the futures contracts for the pairs, but this is the S&P 500, this is the NASDAQ, and this is the Dow Jones. So I have the futures contracts pulled up because they just move cleaner, and I would suggest using futures contracts overall. I think it's better for tax purposes as well. I trade ES and NQ. I have them on my 2 monitors, and I usually trade on NQ, but it depends on the setup for the day. But yeah, for the strategy that I'm going to show later, I would suggest you to use ES and NQ in combination, but again, it's going to be all on personal preference. So we have commodities. So these are like real life assets, like gold and silver and crude oil. And these move a little bit slow day to day, but you can trade them if you would like. It's up to you again. And yeah, if you want to look up more commodities, you can search up more indices, commodities, any of these sections. You can search them up more. Just go on Google and you can find even more. And then lastly, and more recently, we have crypto. So BTC, USDT, ETH, USDT, and Solana. And again, I have the perpetuals contracts, the futures pulled up. So I would probably suggest you to trade that. And that way you can short the market as well, which is very necessary in day trading. But I feel like in the future, the Forex markets are gonna probably slow down, and we're gonna stop using foreign exchange currencies, and we're gonna start transitioning more into crypto. So I mean, like 5-10 years maybe, if you want to start trading crypto now, day trading crypto now, and you want to start learning it, I think it's more long term than learning how to trade Forex, but it'll basically be the same. Watching price action move is very similar in all these pairs. So yeah, like I was saying earlier, it's going to be all on personal preference. I would just suggest you to pull some of these up on your trading view, add them to your list on the side, and then just start looking at them and start watching how they move and seeing which ones are more volatile, which ones move at what times throughout the day. And you're gonna have to decide. Don't decide right away, but eventually you want to stick to 1 to 2 pairs only. You don't want to be day trading multiple pairs, because you need to learn how one pair moves, 1 to 2 pairs move, and then stick to those pairs throughout your whole trading career. It's about learning how they move and then inserting yourself into the market when you know you have a profitable edge in the market. So that's all for this episode of the Day Trading Bootcamp. That's day 4 wrapped up, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 5. Peace out.